chicos, ahí vamos a estar en este juego. O sea, este es raro. ¿Qué? O sea, son voces.
Be late again and have repeated pieces.
Lo que escuchamos esa.
Everyone,
¿Esta?
I want you all to welcome our newest student.
Oh. I'm scared.
No, not again. No, not again. Now sit so we can begin. Quick, in here. Where do you think you're going?
Oh.
You're late to class.
Okay.
Correct. I actually tried to be a good teacher this time. I am so excited.
Tiene mucho.
And remember, wrong answers will be very harshly punished.
Faltas son dos.
Over the course of the semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely extract the human brain for eating, and you've been a bad student.
Sigue banban. Hola.
Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your lunch break.
Escuchamos la
Please
voz de
return to your
banban.
classes.
Entonces ya sabemos.
I know why you're
Habla
here
como
and
señor.
I can help you, but you've got to get me out of here.
Habla como señor perdido. Porque escuchen algo.
Oh, the good old drones. I lost mine a couple of weeks ago.
Okay.
Also, teachers,
Yes.
please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student.
Ay,
Also, teachers, please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student, believed to be accompanied by a drone. If you catch it... Oh, come on. I didn't hit you that hard.
yo voy a ponerlo.
Or maybe I did. Either way, it's best you take a nap while I prepare for our little surgery. I was looking around and walked into the security room. Then the door closed behind me and I've been stuck inside since. It needs a light blue key card to open, but I don't have it.
Okay.
I know why you're here and I can help you, but you've got to get me out of here. I was looking around and walked into the security room. Then the door closed behind me and I've been stuck inside since. It can't blame you for taking a nap. Feels like we've been in this car forever.
Yo me voy a pasar en uno, ya que son muchos en este.
Speaking of zoos, it's almost assembly time. Where all the doors open, so we must keep this brief. Sweet. Now you can go down to the maintenance room. Remember, you're looking for a light blue key card.
Okay.
Good luck and thank you.
Vamos, excelente, bien.
That's what I'm talking about.
¿Qué dijo?
I needed something from you that I could only get if you were unconscious. And I was all out of sedatives. Wait, can you even hear me? Hello? You had one job and you messed that up somehow. You know, on a normal day, you'd be standing where I am, behind the safety of this class.
Sigue
Like you're in a
Stingerfield.
zoo watching some animals.
Pero sí, pues sigue la voz.
Well, when my turn comes, I will simply prevent myself
Oye, la voz de
from turning into what he
Stingerfield es
turned
un
into.
señorote. Es un señorote, Stingerfield.
I believe we are lost. Okay, bird riding is a new one. I'll give you that. I cannot let it happen, and I will gladly show you why, but after I
Voy a
do,
aceptar
you take my advice.
en este.
You just take a little nap while I transfer
Hay
you
que
to where
trabajar
you're meant to
mucho
be.
para alcanzar.
Leave this place while you still can. Erase it from your memory. Move on and forget any of this ever happened. And I promise you, I am struggling to locate the being who asked for your opinion. Tomorrow will be
Voy bien.
Can you stop vocalizing for just 1 second so I can focus on the road?
Ok.
You've had a rough
Ya es el
day.
último.
I can tell.
Uy, pero sí que tienen bien poquillos. La caída. Los huevos. Oh. El búnker. Los pollitos. Oh. Uy, ahí viene. Estoy grabando en vivo. Perdón, chicos, es que ya es de noche y mi mamá quiso que ya duerma y luego ya. Pero voy a decir.
Hello.
When you get the social and ecological parts right, that's when restoration succeeds.
Anuncio.
I was promised some babies.
El jumpscare. ¿Qué es ese sonido de Jimbo George? También.
Please. It hurts.
El último. Oh. Es que hay muchos. Ya se van a acabar. Creo que para mí va ya. ¿Es en serio? ¿Nada más uno? Una linda. ¿También uno? Sigue Tamataki, Chamataki. Mi favorito. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué dijo? Pues como ya son todos. Si ya son todos. No, hombre, fueron bien poquitos. Te voy a dar una estrella porque me gustó. Me gustó un poquito. Ok, si les gustó el video, suscríbanse. Nos vemos hasta la próxima, papu. Bye bye.